Okay, you guys, so I just want to let you know where we are now. You are looking in my bedroom. See the line right there on the floor? That's where it ends. This is where the bathroom begins. So for right now, we have the two windows. This is where the bed is going to go. And then we have the wall going into the hallway. See the door that will be going into the hallway. So I'm legit in my room right now, which is next to the gym. Now, let me show you because I have to come around the wall. I actually could walk through the door, but I choose not to. Now, this room is the gym. So from that wall to this line, see the line? Now, this line right here is the closet for this gym, which is actually a gym slash third bedroom. So I turn around. I'm not sure if you could really see this. Now I'm at the corner of the gym, and you're looking down to the rest of the house. But we have the gym wall up, and we have this whole side up. Okay, you guys, this is week 1. We have this whole wall, and then there's also a wall on the inside, because remember I showed you the bedroom slash gym. So now they're completely separated. Okay, at least on one side. But how cool is this? So tonight we got one more wall up. And so since, I know I said Tuesday, but this is actually started on Wednesday. And today is Saturday. So we have all weekend to get going. I'll keep you updated. So until the next video, see ya!